I've already dumped a lot of the nasty out, but there's a lot of goo. There's some water in these too. Not a lot. See it coming out there, that's water. What happens with that water in the bottom, because the oil floats, so the water goes to the bottom, and then it rusts out holes in them. And then once you get a hole in them, and then everything leaks out. So these haven't been serviced in a long time. But if you don't get that water out, then you're going to start braising up the bottoms of them. And one of them, you know, the oil all leaks out and you don't know it. Well, then you're running with no filtration. So I like these the oil bath air filters. Some people hate them. The maintenance on them is why they're gone, because it's environmentally not the easiest thing to do it cleanly. And a paper element's fine, but I like them. Just need some work. So most of that big pile of shit's out of one oil bath air filter. I don't know if I ever showed this before, so I'm going to do it here. I got a scraper in the bottom of this one. Excuse my screen is a little bit greasy. Dirt. Big pile of dirt. Can't say these things don't collect a lot of dirt.